Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation for the 2021 RAV4, but this you can do it on the 2019 to 2021 Toyota RAV4. I have a company named IssyAuto. They sent me this for the installation, and this is gonna be the cargo LED lights for the RAV4. Those are the LEDs and the wire harness. Those lights, they're gonna go in the trunk by removing these lids, one in here and one in here. We're gonna do the installation. Really easy to do. I'm gonna show you the process. On the wire harness, we have two wires that we need to connect. One that is gonna bring the power to those lights from here, and this one, it has the fuse in it. Just as a note, if your lights don't work, make sure that you check the fuse, because sometimes the fuse get damaged. That's gonna go connected right there, and this one is gonna be connected to the light. Besides the covers in here, we're gonna remove this panel all the way across. It has 4 clips. And this one has 2. Just pull on them, be gentle. Same thing with this one. This one with the small connector, they're gonna be on the light, so we can put it through here. Just having them ready. The other one on the other side. Once you have the cables on top, you can connect the lights already. If one doesn't work, try the other one, because one is left and one is right. That one fits right in it. Same thing for the other one. Connect it, put it on. We're gonna put the cable with zip ties around the other cable, the stack cable, like that. We're gonna have some extra wire. We can just leave it like that, and we're gonna do the connection right here. For the bottom, we gotta remove the light just with any tool to remove panels. I prefer to use this one so I don't scratch my plastics. Press on the back side. You press on the back side, and then you press on the clip to remove the light. Now, this is where you're gonna do the connection. We're gonna use that stack wire, and we're gonna get the one from the light. We're gonna get it connected right here. That's connected on the original one. This one is gonna go connected to the one that it was here. Now on the kit you have this one, these 2 cables. It's not attached to it yet. You gotta put them in to connect it to the lights. For now, what I'm gonna do is just do red with red. I'm not gonna put it on because I gotta run these cables through the inside, and that's why they have this connector separate. Once you put them through, then you can put the plug and connect it. It makes the installation much easier. So I just gotta match white with white and red with red. and we're gonna see if the lights work. Okay, I was trying the light, and yes, the fuse is blown. Probably you're not gonna be able to see it in camera, but the fuse was damaged, probably for shipping, not because of the company, but shipping. So I have another one, and that was the issue. That's why it wasn't working. You have a clip in here, remove that one. And you're gonna have another screw right here, remove that one as well. That one on the back, you can use a Phillips screwdriver or 10 millimeter. Once you remove those two, you can pull on this panel so you can get access to this one. You don't have to remove it all the way, just get enough room so you can put the cables. Once you have the cables inside, which it was easier just to open them, you don't have to open them all the way. You can do your connections now. Once your connections are done, just push them in and close this one. That's ready. Now what we have to do is this one, put it through this grommet. You gotta open this grommet right here. You gotta put them inside so there's not gonna be water leaks or anything. Find a piece of wire so you can put it through this grommet, attach it to these ones, pull it in. The grommet on the bottom, if you pull it, it has a little cutout. You can put the piece of metal through there. Probably this is gonna be the difficult part, but I was able to put a piece of metal all the way for the little cutout that I was telling you about. Now with electrical tape, I'm just gonna put these wires, attach it to these ones, and just pull it. Once I have those wires in, I'm gonna close my grommet, put them through here, so I can do my connections in here. Okay, I put a lot of tape in it, so when I pull it, it goes straight, it doesn't get stuck. So now, I'm just gonna pull it. Hopefully, it goes in no problems. Ooh, it came off, but I have the cables in. This is the most difficult part because you do have to pull those cables, and it's not easy, but it's doable. Cable is in. Now put it through, bring it up, and close your grommet. Now I gotta match the other connector with this one. So this one goes like this. Red, it has to be on this side. Make sure that you put it in place until it clicks so the cables don't go out. And do your connection. Installation is complete. You guys know on these RAV4s that little light doesn't do anything, so this is a good upgrade. We have plenty of visibility. on the back now, and on the middle they have a little button. You can press on it and turn it off. When you close it, and open back up, they turn on again. So link is gonna be in the description for these lights, and there you have it. Installation is done. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.